Ahead at 5, 3 teens are facing murder charges for the death of a St. Tammany Parish deputy. A lawyer says they're facing some very serious time.
Plus, a woman mauled to death by dogs outside of her own home. What you should do if faced with an aggressive dog.
And we have a big update on train service from New Orleans to Alabama. You'll be able to buy a ticket soon.
WWL Louisiana News at 5 starts now.
At least 2 of the 3 teens accused of killing a St. Tammany Parish Sheriff's Sergeant appeared before a judge today.
Sergeant Grant Candies died while attempting to stop a car involved in an alleged high-speed chase early Sunday morning. Thanks for joining us. I'm Cherise Gibson.
And I'm Katie Moore. Amelia Strahan tells us what we know about those teenage suspects and what we can expect in court.
These are the names and faces of the 3 17-year-olds accused of killing Sergeant Grant Candies. The 37-year-old was killed early Sunday morning while deploying a spike strip in an attempt to stop a car involved in a high-speed chase. Alleged driver Adrian Walthall and alleged passengers Michael Lanier and Mason Fisher were booked on multiple charges, including first-degree murder and attempted first-degree murder. A St. Tammany judge denied Walthall bond Tuesday and set Lanier's bond at $150,000. As of Tuesday afternoon, no bond information was available for Fisher. St. Tammany Parish District Attorney Colin Sims declined to comment on the charges. But if the case goes to trial, Loyola law professor Dane Cialino says the boys will likely be tried as adults.
When a law enforcement officer gets killed in the line of duty, that makes it a very tough case for the defense before it even starts.
If they're found guilty, Cialino says the maximum sentence for juveniles is life in prison without the possibility of parole.
And the United States Supreme Court has said that the 8th Amendment to the United States Constitution does not permit the execution of individuals who have committed a crime as minors.
While the death penalty is off the table, Cialino doesn't think their age will sway potential jurors.
Jurors focus on victims, and a police officer as a victim is among the worst that you could choose if you were to commit a crime, because the community, as you would expect, is very protective of law enforcement officers.
St. Tammany Parish Sheriff Randy Smith told WWL Louisiana there were 2 other female passengers in the car. Whether or not there will be additional arrests is still unclear. Amelia Strahan, WWL Louisiana.
Well, St. Tammany Parish Sheriff's Office says funeral arrangements have not yet been finalized.